Hey guys, Kasrakai, welcome back to Code with Bahuli. And today's question is write a program to find the largest and the second largest element of an array. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start with the standard statements. Then, then we will write stdio.h, and then we are gonna write void main. Then we are gonna start the brackets. Int I comma j comma n, and we're going to take the temporary variable. Now let's define an array. Always an array is written with a variable, and in the brackets we are going to write the length of the array. Okay, just remember always to mention the length of the array. I'm keeping it big so that we don't face any problems later. Now let's write the standard ones. The enter number of elements is equals to, okay, and then scanf, enter number in, okay, scanf, sorry, then %d, then and remember to write the ampersand symbol always while you're defining the printf statement, sorry, scanf ones. Enter number in any order, like we are gonna write in any orders numbers. Okay, close it, and then it's scanf %d, then let's write this. Now we're gonna start with the for loop for this. Okay, so for loop ka standard, we are gonna start with I is equals to 0, then we're gonna write I is greater than equals to n. Okay, the number of elements जितने होंगे तब तक, जितने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होंगे तब तक ये लूप चलता रहेगा. ठीक है, and then we are gonna write I plus plus. Okay, now let's start with the loop. In the loop, you are gonna write scanf %d, and then just close it, and we are gonna call ampersand array का ith वाला print करने के लिए. ठीक है, now we are gonna start with another loop. We are gonna start with the same procedure for I is equals to 0, then I is greater than, now let's just remove this greater than equals to wala sign, and then we're gonna write here I plus plus. But also now we are going to specify one more loop in this, that is if else. Just keep it if may. If x is greater than, yeah, let's keep this j. Okay, and here we are gonna write this is one array element. Okay, then we write x j plus 1. मतलब for if this is the second last, then this is the last one. So second last, if the second last is greater than the last one, then temporary, the variable that we defined earlier, so we are gonna put the value of this last element inside this. Then पता है वो swapping वाला किया था हमने in the beginning, is the same like that. X j plus 1, then Now again we are gonna put the value of temp, that is this wala value, inside this wala. Okay, j plus 1 equals to temp. Yeah, then close it, and also close this bracket, and also close the ऊपर का wait, ये वाला close किया, ये वाला close किया. Now let's close that if for, yeah, this हो गया close, ठीक है, and yeah, this much only. Now we are gonna write the statement that printf largest number %d. And now the most important step is x n minus 1. okay, because array में पता है क्या होता है, whenever you start declaring a array, for example the length of the array is 9, ठीक है, but when you are writing that array वो हमेशा start होगा 0 से, तो it will always go like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. so अगर length 9 होगा फिर भी it will be like till 8 only होगा, 0 to 8 होगा print, इसीलिए we are doing this n minus 1. okay, and yeah, just remember to close this bracket. printf, and then we are going to write second largest number is equals to %d. then we are going to write x n minus 2 for second largest one. okay, let's just save this. cp9.c, control F9, 3 errors. Function call missing. okay, I forgot to put the end bracket. control S, control F9. okay, statement missing for, okay, I forgot again to write here, sorry. let's run it again, 3 errors. अरे हर जगह पे क्यों रह गया है लिखना. एक error. okay, same mistake again. remember to close this bracket. okay guys, okay, let's write the number of elements. I'm keeping it simple. I'm writing 1 2. okay, also कभी कभी ऐसा होता है तुम अपने कोड से एग्जिट कर जाते हो, राइट, तो उसके लिए ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू राइट गेट सी. लेट्स डू क्लियर स्क्रीन हियर इन द बिगिनिंग. क्लियर स्क्रीन हमेशा डिक्लेरेशन के बाद लिखना. let's write number of elements as 3 12 23 34. okay, so the largest number is 34 and the second largest number is 23. let's go. एंड ऑल्सो अगर तुम्हें आउटपुट यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट लाइन पे चाहिए होगा क्योंकि ये काफ़ी मैसी लग रहा था, राइट, ये वाला स्लैश आएगा. एक और बार करते हैं. let's keep 5 elements. Let's write normal 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so largest is 5 and the second largest number is 4. लेट्स गो. बेसिकली वो सेकेंड और लार्जेस्ट नंबर जो लास्ट वाले एलिमेंट्स है वो डिक्लेयर कर रहा है. ठीक है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.